All right, so here's what I've done to somewhat resolve this. When I turned the breakers off in the engine compartment, which for anybody who doesn't know, they are, well, you can't see anything in here, can you? Well, the breakers are right there. But anyway, what the issue was is that, come on now, get in focus. That ballast pump right there was stuck on no matter what happened. Every time the battery switch of the boat was turned on, that would be running. And so we took off the rear compartment and had to take off the little side compartment there. But anyway, you have that relay box, and there's the 30 amp fuses and the 15 amp fuses. I took all the 30 amps out, still ran. I took all but one 15 amp out, and then that killed it. I reset them, and now the ballast, I think the ballast relay is working again. We're going to go out and try to run it just because it's the 4th of July weekend. We'd like to run our boat. So hopefully this may help others, and hopefully this fixes my problem, at least for the weekend, until I can get warranty work done on it.